first thing to do really is just to take a look at the rose bush and do the assessment. You start with so-called 3Ds, dead, diseased, and damaged. And then you pull back and start looking at it and see what else is there. You know, if it goes straight up, if it goes into the house. Secondly, you know, when you're making cuts, you really need to pay attention how you make that cut. You want to make a cut that is approximately 1/4 of an inch above the bud, slightly slanted away from the bud. And this is to prevent choking of the bud once the juices start moving, because you're going to have a little bit of a bleed. Probably the best timing for it is during the dormancy. So you can do that in fall, or you can do that in spring, like March would be preferred window of opportunity. By pruning, you are eliminating all of these, as I said, 3Ds, plus you're opening up a crown to improve overall health and the appearance of the bush.